In this MergeHost review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to give you unlimited hosting, cloud storage, and video hosting for a low one-time price. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out MergeHost, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says get unlimited hosting, cloud storage, and video hosting for a low one-time price, no monthly fees ever. So essentially they're giving you hosting for pretty much everything that you need here. You can do they say here you can do your like your websites, you can do your cloud storage stuff, so like your files, and video hosting all in one place. They say they've got 99.9% uptime, fast one-click WordPress development installation, accessible cPanel, personalized email accounts with this, things that everyone, or like those are things that usually people ask about. Easy to move your websites over to here, and it is a one-time price for this. So they say step 1, log in to our secure web-based server and add your domain name. Step 2, choose your preferred services, and then step 3, access and control your website and files from anywhere here. Now, they say they've got this is a preview page. They've got a spot for income proof. This isn't really about income, by the way. So if they've got like fancy income screenshots on the sales page, it really doesn't matter. I mean, the only thing that income-wise this is about is if it saves you money. So if you're like right now paying monthly or high yearly fees and you've got websites that you're not necessarily, maybe you don't get a ton of traffic to them, then this might be something that you could be interested in. So you're not wasting money. You could be spending that money on other things in your business here. So if we go down, it's gonna more sales page stuff. Okay, so they have some comparison charts here, what you would pay in other places. So if you're gonna use something like GoDaddy to pay for your hosting, they say $179 a month, Dropbox $397, and Vimeo $497. Now these are probably the high tier versions of these, but they say this is faster. They say you get daily backups, unlimited domains, unlimited bandwidth with this. So that's what they're claiming here on their sales page. They've got a bunch of extra bonuses here with this. You get access to all of this, host unlimited websites, files, and videos. Get unlimited hosting, unlimited cloud storage, unlimited videos, again, free SSL certificates on your domains, fast loading, daily backups. They say they have a 100% uptime guarantee for a low one-time price. Now, what I want you to do is when you get to the sales page and the live one, this is the preview one. When you get to the live one, move your mouse away, as most likely there will be a discount code that pops up there. I make less as an affiliate by showing you that. So please hit that like button. It really helps out with my channel and I appreciate it. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna show you the backend area and the OTOs and discounts.
Imagine being able to host unlimited domains, unlimited files, and unlimited videos with faster loading speed for lifetime at an unbeatable one-time price. Welcome to MergeHost. MergeHost allows you to enjoy host unlimited websites, files, and unlimited videos for lifetime. Blazing fast websites, video upload than ever before. Free SSL certificate and highly secured hosting. Easy to use control panel. One-click WordPress installation. Unlimited bandwidth and unlimited personalized emails. 100% uptime and automated daily backup. 100% cloud-based and SSD server helps you get faster loading speed. Newbie-friendly and easy-to-use software. With all of this, you will get a one-time fee for lifetime. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on expensive, subscription-based hosting, file storage, video hosting platform, when you can host unlimited websites, files and videos on ultra-fast servers with a one-time fee only. Now host all your websites and files in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Log in into our secure web-based server and add your domain names. Step 2. Choose your preferred services you need. You can choose your preferred services like web hosting, file storage, and video hosting. Step 3. Access and control your websites and files from anywhere. Now you can finally stop paying the hectic monthly fee to the old-school hosting and file storage companies. It is only available for a limited period of time only. So, hurry and grab your copy soon. So, the conclusion is this. MergeHost saves you thousands of dollars in hosting fees every year for lifetime, while getting the better, faster and more customer-friendly services than any other our competitors. The value that you are getting, it's fair to charge $100 per month. The best part is there is no monthly fee either. We are making it affordable for anyone to host unlimited websites at just $17 for lifetime. But hold on, that is not everything. We are also offering 10 fast action bonuses that help you get the best results with MergeHost. Remember, you are covered with a 30 days money-back guarantee. So, it is totally risk-free and 100% money-back guarantee for you. Price increases every hour. So click the below button and secure your copy now at a low one-time fee.
Okay, so this is the backend area that you'll have access to after you purchase. It has your file hosting, your video hosting, your website hosting all in here, but there are multiple upgrades. So the first one here says unlock unlimited website creation, unlimited file storage, and grow your business up to 5 times. So it removes any limits, it unlocks features, and it removes the MergeHost branding on this. So if you don't want their branding on this, you want everything even more with this, then you can get this upgrade. Now what you want to do is when you get to this page, move your mouse away, you can get a $10 discount on this. So make sure you use that discount at checkout. I always want you guys to get that lowest price. Please hit that like button if you want me to keep on showing these discounts. Next one is you can now sell MergeHost for a higher profit. You can actually sell it with the agency license and keep the money. You can provide it on places like Fiverr and Upwork. Right here, if you move your mouse away, you can get another discount. So make sure you do that. This is an add done for you traffic. So I don't know how they're doing that, but they're doing some kind of a traffic thing with this. You can move your mouse away and get a discount on that one. Next one is steal our 500 plus of our money making apps. So apparently this is a bunch of their other softwares you can get at a bundle. Move your mouse away and get a discount. The next one here is you can get 10 of our best money making products here, plus faster servers, one-on-one VIP priority support, premium training. Move your mouse away and get a discount. And the last one here is it looks like you can actually like resell. It looks like the sales funnel for MergeHost, and yeah, keep 100% of the profits. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about MergeHost and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, with any kind of a one-time hosting, file sharing thing, file hosting thing, whatever, I always want to make sure that you guys have another backup as well. So this is great. If you've already got your files on one place or you've got your website somewhere else and you want to use this as a backup for that, I think that's a smart idea. This probably isn't going to be as good as a Dropbox or as a GoDaddy just because it's a one-time purchase. So just be aware of that when you buy something like this. Make sure you have backups of all your stuff in other places as well. What do I like about this? If you are paying high fees right now for hosting and you really can't afford it in your business, if you've only got one website or a couple websites and you don't need to be paying for like high priced hosting and you want to pay a one-time fee, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at MergeHost, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.